At Mytee Products, our winches are one of a kind, made out of forged steel, coated black, and fit standard C tracks as well as double L tracks. What makes these three winches different are their profiles, which are low, standard, and deep. Each of these winches can fit a certain length of strap. To show just how much, we're using a 4-inch by 30-foot winch strap on each. On the deep profile, we're left with an inch or so of space with a fully rolled up 30-foot winch strap. It's important to also note that even though these profiles are different, the working load limits and braking strength are exactly the same. With the standard profile, we fully rolled up the strap with no room to maneuver. It's safe to say that the standard profile has a limit of 30 feet. The low profile takes up as much of the 30 feet as it can and leaves us with about 11 feet in excess strap. When looking for winches, take this test into consideration. You can get all three of these winches as well as winch straps today at myteeproducts.com.